Hey, Ty Cohen here. On behalf of myself and my partner Mike Balmaceda, I want to introduce you to the Six Figure Success Academy affiliate program, which, after split testing hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales and tweaking our webinar to convert within a 15 to 24% conversion rate, we are now opening the doors to affiliates for the first time. Now, we've ran this thing through the mud, meaning we've ran it to audiences and list types and niches of all types. Just a huge variety, from the Make Money Online list to the Internet Marketing list to the Biz Opportunity list and everything in between, including like religious list, Christian list, stay-at-home mom list. And it's done extremely well with those lists. So if you have something that's outside of a traditional type of list, then definitely throw some traffic to it, send an email out, and I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Especially since this is an evergreen webinar, meaning you can promote it at any time. So there's no launch calendar, there's no launch schedule. You don't have to wait until a particular date or time to start sending your emails out, to start driving traffic to it. You can sign up right now. You'll immediately get swipes and promotional material on the next page, and you can start running traffic to it and generating sales within the next couple of hours. And we suggest that you do so, right? As the saying goes, money loves speed, so take immediate action. The other thing that you want to know is that we've ran this to a variety of traffic types, including cold traffic, right? PPC traffic, YouTube traffic, Facebook traffic, AdWords traffic, Instagram traffic, and also some native ads as well. So it does well across the board on multiple platforms. Let's take a look really quickly and dive into this and see what exactly we have here. So one of the things that I definitely want to point out is that we pay 40% commissions. This is a $9.97 product, so that means you'll make up to $400 per sale, and a lot of our affiliates are doing extremely well with it. So let's look at some of the numbers, the most recent sales numbers here, right? I don't believe in sending or sharing numbers only on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you numbers on our side, and then we'll talk about some of the affiliates, and that'll give you an idea as to what's possible for you as well. So on our side, this is what we've generated. So as you can see here, right, some pretty cool numbers here, right? And then what we'll do is let's jump into some of as of the time that I'm recording this, some of the more recent